Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the drive socket on your OmniBlend 5. But the same applies to your OmniBlend 1. What we need for this is a pair of tweezers, flat screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and of course, the replacement drive socket. What we need to do first is remove the rubber base. There we go. Okay, with the flat screwdriver, loosen the grey protection that is there. Okay, once that's done, you're going to turn your drive socket until you can find the screw. Okay, and now with your Phillips screwdriver, you're going to loosen the screw until you can remove the drive socket. And eventually we will replace with the new one. And twist again until you can find the screw. Tighten that, and now you can use your tweezer to put back the grey rubber protection thingy. That is done, and we have the rubber base. Squeeze that back on,